Hey,
Good morning!
you hog. Good morning! We're having bananas.
Time. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Good morning from Oregon. It got closer.
It did. Hold on.
Honey, are you gonna talk?
Yeah. Hello, everybody. We are just wanting to discuss with you some of the things that you're going to see in this video.
And we've been back in a gym routine, which is very exciting. Natalie's officially a runner now. She's finally identifying as a runner.
It was a hard push.
But it's a great way to see the area. It's a great way to experience what healthy choices we can be making by getting out there. We were just so busy preparing to move and adjusting to the move and getting to know the area that we weren't taking that time. Or at least I wasn't. We're open to all the experiences that we could be having, and it's easy to have a beginner's mindset about almost everything, but also knowing that people's needs are the same no matter where you live, and realizing that by being present we can help meet them in a new way. People have real fears and real concerns, and especially when being involved in the law enforcement field and trying to suppress crime and help people live the most abundant life, besides the training that Kismet offers us because he's a scaredy cat. We get to be part of the process of helping them be in the moment and learn new things about themselves. So I'm excited to be able to do that at work and have that exposure. For the first time since I've known him, he's managed to walk around on the ground, carefully sniffing in front of every step.
His first steps on Oregon soil the other day.
If we pick up my son Nate, that's cool.
What Kismet thinks?
Yes.
Are you posing for the camera?
I thought it was a more manly shot.
Then the no, you're showing off your biceps, and it looks good. Sorry, what were you saying?
Jordan's been adjusting well to his new job. I got to go for a ride along with him, which was super fun.
This is an off-the-path corridor for travel, and it's been interesting to see who uses it. A lot of retired folks that love seeing new things and enjoy the nature and the ocean, and some criminals that want to get off the interstate that think they can be less noticeable in a small town. And thankfully, we've been able to prove to them that that's not always the case. We had one guy trying to steal a sailboat after a series of burglaries who met some angry fishermen who live at the docks in their boats, and stopped him until I could get there. He was actually floating in the water in the harbor when I did get there, and he wasn't about to get away.
Right by where we had our little boat date when we went boat shopping.
Right.
Shopping, not shopping. Window shopping for boats.
Yeah. Yeah, so I had to retrieve him out of the harbor by the time these guys were done with him. And we've since tracked his burglaries across the country, and Las Vegas is now working, trying to backtrack a lot of burglaries they had with this guy. But he was here in small little Brookings. So that's what happens. And a transient guy that's been a fugitive on the lam that was headed to California, and massive sex offender dude that we've picked up. So far, we've been able to close most cases because in a small town, people all know each other and they all communicate, and it's easy to ask for help and get people to keep their eyes open.
We just got back from the post office where I ran into my husband in uniform on duty. He was helping a UPS person unload boxes because it's right next to his substation. He was just back at work to write a report. So he's such a sweetie. Best deputy ever. You want to show everybody what Kismet got today?
Well, does everyone know that our cat's gaining weight since we've moved into an RV?
I don't think we've discussed that yet.
So there's a few things that come with a smaller space, and one has been love handles on our cat. So this set of days off, we decided to be really intentional about the health and future of Kismet. So we've been to Mini Pet Mart,
Which sells?
tobacco products, which we'd take you in and show you, but it's embarrassing that they have as many tobacco products as they do pet supplies. It started as a tobacco shop by a guy that really liked to smoke, and apparently he also liked his pets, so they started adding pet products until it did become a pet store that sells nicotine, which fortunately we considered picking up a pack of menthol lights for Kismet because we thought that might suppress his appetite. Instead, we went with the Catzilla shark to go with our ocean theme. It's the big catch, with catnip inside. So we expect this to really get some attention.
Oh, this is so pretty.
good. I have to go to work.
Okay, Jordan's got to go to work now. We'll talk later.